Alright, check out these new RLCs with me. They just got these in the last month or so. Got our Toyota 4-wheel drive, GTR RC, the GT40, the 72 Nova, and for kicks and giggles, I got that one. Now I have a question on all these. They are all absolutely beautiful models. I love the paint on them. I love how they open. And this was my first car, so I could not pass it up. GTR being an RC, that reminded me of my childhood. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of Zip Zaps, but I loved tiny RCs when I was in middle school. The GT40, just an epic American race car. Absolutely beautiful. And an all-time classic, the Yanko Nova. I don't think anybody could say that this was not one of the best cars made in the 70s and 60s. And the Fox body. Everybody loves Fox bodies. Now, my question on these is, when you look at these, did not sell out. Did not sell out. Did not sell out. Sold out in 5 minutes. And if I believe this sold out in about an hour. Where does that market demand come from? I'm genuinely curious. Well, that was my question for today and my first talking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.